Newton's 3 laws of motion with Colin O'Reilly. Newton's first law of motion is every object in a state of uniform motion tends to remain in that state of motion unless an external force is applied to it. This law basically just explains inertia, and it is saying that an object won't move or stop moving unless another force acts upon it. A demonstration of this is me jumping and landing on the ground. Okay, here we go. Ow. Okay, so when I jumped, I was in motion. And when I hit the floor, I was no longer in motion because the force of the floor acted upon my body, just like Newton's first law explains. Newton's second law is the relationship between an object's mass, or m, its acceleration, or a, and the applied force, or F, is F equals ma. Acceleration and force are vectors. In this law, the direction of the force vector is the same as the direction of the acceleration vector. An example is if I pushed this pillow, it is a lot easier and takes a lot less force than to push this thing. It would take a lot more force to push the bin because it has a lot more mass to it, but it would take less force because this has less mass, and because there is less force going into the bin, there is less acceleration. That is my example. Okay. Newton's third law of motion is, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This law explains that every time something happens, it causes something else to happen. So, if I threw this bin at this pillow, it will slow down. Wait, no, I'll throw this bin at this bag of clothes. If I roll it and it hits that, it will make that move and make this stop. The equal reaction is making that move, and the opposite reaction is making this stop. Thank you all for your time, for watching Newton's 3 laws of motion with Colin O'Reilly. Peanut butter and jelly.